I finally got me a Telfar bag. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited, okay, about this unboxing I have because it's been a long time coming. I finally got me a Telfar bag. Y'all, this was a struggle, okay? Y'all know the Telfar struggle. It's a struggle. It's a beautiful struggle because that is so exciting and so wonderful for him, especially as a black designer. But you know, as trying to be his customer, it's hard, like, you know. But I will say I definitely got it accomplished. I got me a Telfar bag. So I will be doing an unboxing with you guys, a little bit of, like, I guess a review and kind of talking about like what I put in mine. Before we get into that, you know, I'm just going to say thank you for clicking on this video. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, a new viewer, thank you so much for checking me out, you know, watching my video. Thank you for your time. Follow me on Instagram at Dianna Chisholm, which I will link this somewhere in this video. So as always, I hope you guys are staying safe. So yeah, let's get into this. So Telfar, y'all know how it goes. Very popular right now. Established in 2005, and I think I saw the bags, right? I saw them, but I guess I don't know, y'all know how it goes with social media. It's like it just takes over, and I just kept seeing them, and like, you know, once I realized, I think what it was, I didn't think he had a bag in the size that I would normally wear. So I was like, wow, they cute, but I can't do the really big bags. It's like really nothing I would really put in there that I can carry on a day-to-day basis with me, you know. Maybe for travel, but yeah. So then when I noticed that they had a smaller bag, I was like, bingo. Okay, so yeah, I purchased this back in March, and I received it last month because I did the bag security program, which I think is probably the best route if you're trying to get them, because since I've gotten this bag, I've tried to get back on the website and like order when he has it drops. That's insane. Like by 9:03 it's sold out. So I can't, y'all know I can't click around that fast, and I don't know the tricks and stuff, and I really ain't got the patience for it either. So next bag security, I know I'm gonna just go ahead and put in a couple orders that time. So I learned my lesson. But either way, you know, I'm excited. I finally got my Telfar, and so yeah, let's get into this. So this is the bag it comes in, and you know, I really like that, because I feel like even when I order from other luxury companies, I feel like they don't protect like the bag in a dust bag like that. So I think that was really cool, really very smart too. So that's the dust bag with the Telfar logo, which I love. Okay, so I chose the small, and this one retails for $150, and the color is called chocolate. And hopefully you guys will be able to see, like really pick up on the color. I'm gonna unwrap it for you guys too. So it comes with like a little Velcro strap around the top, and then you have another strap around the side. Okay. Oh, how cute is that? How cute is that? Oh my god. Like, and what I love about this, it's just so simple. It's so simple. And I feel like, you know, it really normally doesn't bother me when I have like hardware on my bags. Like if I like the bag, I'm gonna wear it regardless. But sometimes it's just nice to have like a all neutral bag, and you can wear your gold jewelry, your silver jewelry, or other accessories, and you don't have to worry about it clashing with the hardware on the bag. So I think that was awesome. And it's just, again, like I said, it's simple. It's not a whole lot to the bag. It feels great. You know, it's made of vegan leather, which is awesome. Save the animals. Like, I love it. I love it. Cute little cross straps on it. And then it has like a cute little like hidden pocket inside the logo. Like how cute. And then you have your tag. which has, like, again, the product information. Here we go. The Telfar logo on it. I'm so excited for this bag. Like, I love it. I'm so, like, you know what they call it, the what is it, the Brooklyn Birkin, or the, I need to find out. But I'm excited. Like, I'm excited. I'm very impressed too. Like, let's see if we can get like a, I have on like a cute little baby doll dress, but so that's what it looks like when the straps are tucked in. Y'all, you know, I think I want another one of this in, like, maybe in black and maybe a bright color. I'm really more of a, like, neutral kind of girl. Sometimes I do like pops of colors. To be honest with you, it just depends on how my mood is. For a while I was doing like this minimalist kind of closet thing where, you know, and now I'm back to shopping like a Barbie doll, you know. But I think this was super cute. I wanted to go with a safe color because I wanted to be able to really get a feel for like using the bag, and I wanted to be able to use it as an everyday bag. So super cute. Okay, so let's talk about what we can fit in this one. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna start with a empty bag. All right. And so of course the phone. So I have an XR, which is the same size about the iPhone 11. Outside of that, I don't know. Y'all know I'm real basic when it comes to technology. Okay. So and y'all see my baby up there. Look at my baby. Let me see if y'all can see Carlos. By the way, Carlos is doing well. We will have another video with Carlos. Okay. He's doing well, driving me crazy. But yeah, so phone inside here. So we have the phone in there. I'm gonna put my GG Supreme key holder in here. What else? Also gonna put my key clay from Louis Vuitton in here, because usually I have one I use for wallets, and the other one I have like for like, I mean, I'm sorry, one I use for a wallet, which is just like my debit cards and some money in it, and the other one is like insurance cards, loyalty cards, like my Busch Garden pass kind of thing. I usually put in here, and like my gate key. So far that's what I have in there. And then I'm a real germaphobe, and I watched this girl's YouTube, and she suggested like these little, like, it's so cool, and I actually put a link in for them, but they're like little pieces of soap that you can like use, like, so you know sometimes you go to the bathroom and they're out of soap, nasty, right? But they have these things, and you just you just put them in your hand, like a little piece. You put it in your hands like a little soap film, and you run water over it, and it turns into soap, honey. Okay, and on top of that, it's moisturizing on top of that, honey. Okay, so I got that. I'll keep those in my bag, and they come in like a decent pack of these. Like I said, I'll link the Amazon link in there, because you know we need to be washing our hands. Okay, everybody needs to be washing their hands. Okay. And then my AirPods, that's gonna go in here. And then I always keep like a travel spray. You know, I don't normally really have to reapply perfume throughout the day, but you know, the idea is nice. But this one I got actually from Sephora, as a, I guess, like gift with my points. I'm always hitting my VIP points. But this scent, I'm definitely gonna have to cop this bottle, because this one is I guess it's Voce Viva by Valentino. Y'all, this smells so good. So I'm gonna put that in there, right? And then of course more like hand sanitizer wipes. And I like the hand sanitizer wipes because I periodically I rub my phone down, I wipe my hands down. Like, yeah, I'm a real germaphobe. Like, this pandemic ain't got nothing on me, baby. I've been doing this for years. Okay, I don't like people in my face. Okay, I don't like dirty hands. Okay, so it wasn't hard for me to adjust. Okay, so yeah, I keep these things on me. Hand sanitizer on me. You gotta keep your lotion with you. And then this one, I usually just go refill up on these at Bath and Body Works. I really like this hand cream, the hand nail and cuticle cream, but because I wash my hands a lot, your hands dry out a lot, so having cuticle cream keep your nails nice and pretty. And then I have my Chanel mirror. I'm gonna stick that in there too. And then I usually put about, it depends, I usually have like two lip glosses in it, because it depends on my mood or what I want to use. But this one by Dior is a lip pumper. So I keep that with me. I like it, you know. And then this is the one from Chanel that I unboxed in my first video. If you want to see, go check that out. Usually like to just keep like some mints on me and stuff. I have like an extra mask as well, but usually I'm wearing my mask, so I don't need an extra one. But I usually keep like a new one in here just in case I'm with my friend and they need one or something like that, you know. Y'all know I'm the mom of the group, so gotta make sure everybody good with me. So yeah, it looks like literally everything fits in here. Let me show you guys. Like I got it all packed in. My phone is still in here. Everything I need, you know. And like I feel like I still can probably get something else in here. Oh, let me grab my keys. Let's see if my keys fit. That's the one. The GG Mermont, the key holder that I talked to you guys about. So this is my keys. So, and then when you open it up, that's how it goes. Because the key fob is a little too big, I can't close it like with the key fob really. Hold on, let me see. Oh no, I lied. I can. When I first got it, I couldn't, but I guess because now that the leather has been like, you know, stretched out. And y'all, when I tell y'all I've had this key holder, I think it's got to be going on 3 years now. And look at it. Like, I know this is about the Telfar, but I'm just excited because it's in really great condition. So yeah. So then I just throw this in my Telfar bag, probably right on top. And y'all know typically we don't even like put our phones in the bag, but honestly I'm telling you, like all of my stuff fits in here. And I feel like I still have room. But I wouldn't need to put anything else in here. And I feel like that's pretty good. You know, maybe my sunglasses, I don't know where they're at. I'm not even gonna go grab them, but I probably left them in my car. I usually keep my sunglasses like in my car in the like little console, so I don't forget them. But I'm impressed. I think that's pretty decent, you know. Ooh, this tag, I'm gonna cut that tag off in a second. So yeah, like beautiful, and the stitching and everything is like superb. Like this is I'm so excited. Like I'm ready for my next one. And you know what, you know, I say like I am into small bags, but I really wouldn't mind that like the really large one, like for travel. Like I really honestly wouldn't mind like me going out of town with that, you know, overnight bag or just spend a night bag, you know. I think that would be great. But right now this is everything. Oh my gosh, the next bag security program, I'm gonna hit him up because I need me some more. Okay, congratulations to Mr. Telfar. You know, y'all invest more into black luxury companies. Okay, I know I will. Let me know which ones you have, which ones you want. Hopefully I answer all your questions. So yeah, stay safe, you know. Of course, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, I hope you guys stay safe, and until next time, peace.